My name's Shannon Harper, and I'm the president of Harper Porsche in Knoxville, Tennessee. And I'm here to present our preservation category entry, our 1986 Carrera, casually known as the Tillman. So this car was one of Tillman Broadbeck, who is casually known as the father of Sonderwunsch. This was his second car that he commissioned himself in 1986. It's a yellow, silver, pearl car with a Hannibal gray interior, a ton of little special details to this car that we'll go over in detail. But we wanted to preserve this car just because of how special the paint and the special wishes options are on this car. I mean, in 1986, this car is state of the art. I mean, it really was, with the pearlescent paint, color matched wheels, the interior, sports seats with Ferdinand Porsche's signature in the headrest. Just a ton of little details to this car, along with its ownership history, makes it something that is unlike anything else. Definitely a one-of-one build. So this car, we've had it on display. It was on display at Universal Studios at Lufka Cult 10. We had it on display at a Fat International pop-up in Atlanta. Faraday put the sticker on the back windshield himself, so in his honor, we'll keep that sticker on. It really is a head turner. It's something very, very special, and we're really excited to be able to preserve this car back to its original state. All the little details our team did with rebuilding the gearbox and the motor, resealing the motor, dry ice blasting to bring up all the original shine to the metals underneath, fully going through the interior, getting the original hi-fi stereo speaker working again. Just a lot of little details that it sounds easy from the preservation category, but when you really get into it and you're looking at a 40-year-old vehicle, there's a ton of work that goes in to bring this car back to its original status from 1986. So we originally picked this car up. I mean, when we bought the car, we hadn't even seen it until we picked it up at the airport in California, picked it up at the airport and got to drive it straight to Luft. And it was such a treat to have Jeff Zwart, the creative director of Lufka Cult, place our car, and we had I would say, very beautiful spot. The car got a ton of attention. I mean, I got to stand by the car, and just people ask me so many questions like, what is this interior? What is this paint? What's the story on this car? The Tillman Broadbeck history of the car really just makes it very unique and special, and made it a whole lot of fun to preserve this car. But it's just neat having the appreciation of a Special Wishes car built by one of the men who made Special Wishes and Sonderwunsch what it is today. It's so special to have one of his unique cars. He even signed the interior of the glove box for us. He addressed it to Harper Porsche, enjoy the drive. So it's been signed by Tillman Broadbeck himself, and we're just very excited to have a car that has such unique ownership history, Special Wishes, and have the event history of it as well, to where we love being able to take our cars out to events like Luft, like FAT, and be able to, like Platica, and be able to show off these cars. And we're very proud of this car. It drives so well. It is such a pretty car. Also, just the ownership history in this car makes it truly special, and we're very, very happy to preserve this vehicle for the Porsche Restoration Challenge.